Welcome back to my class. So today we'll discuss types of workers and their distribution. So workers, we all are knowing, all those people who are engaged in any economic activities in order to earn their living are known as workers. So workers, let us say, are classified into two categories. One category is self-employed and second one is hired workers. There are two categories of the workers. First one is the self-employed, second one is hired workers. Self-employed, you all are knowing, the workers who own and operate an enterprise to earn their livelihood are known as self-employed. It means, let us say, self-employed are the workers who own and operate his own enterprises. It means, let us see, who utilizes his own resources in order to run the enterprises. It means, let us see, we can give so many examples. You take the example of shopkeepers, we can give the example of the businessman, you can give the example of cobbler, barbers, so or the doctors who are running his own clinic. It means they are called self-employed. Even farmers of our country, they are the self-employed. So self-employed workers. So workers are classified into self-employed. The second category of workers are hired workers. Let us see hired workers. Those people who are hired by others and are paid wages or salaries as a reward for their services are called hired workers. So hired workers, it means they are hired by others and are paid wages or salaries as a reward for their services. So there are two types of hired workers. One is called, let us see, casual workers or casual wage laborers, and second one is called regular workers or regular salaried employees. So what is the casual workers or casual wage laborers? Let us see, those people who are not hired by their employers on regular basis and do not get social security benefits are said to be casual workers. For example, construction workers, or let us say, we can say this agricultural laborers, construction laborers, they are, let us see, hired but not on regular basis. They are given the job, but they are not given the job on regular basis. They are given job, but they are not given the social securities. There is no any social securities, just like other employees they are getting, such as, let us take the example of the regular employees. Regular employees, they used to get different types of the benefits. They used to get, let us see, the benefits of the provident fund. They used to get the benefit of the insurance, health insurance. They used to get the benefit like the pension or retirement benefits. The different social benefits are given to the regular employees, but such type of benefits are not given to the workers who are working on casual basis or casual wage laborers. Here, construction workers I have written, but let us see, these agricultural laborers are also the casual workers. Casual industrial workers are also there. In industries also, some workers, they are appointed on casual basis. Second category is regular workers. Let us see, regular workers or the regular salaried employees. When a worker is employed by someone or by an enterprise and paid his or her wages on a regular basis, they are known as regular salaried employees or regular workers. For example, teachers, doctor, chartered accountant, or let us say different government officials, or let us say the different workers working into the bank or post office, or let us say corporate sector or different private companies. So different workers are there. They are working in different capacities on regular basis. So those who are working on regular basis, they are hired, let us see, and they are hired on regular basis and they are given wages on regular basis and they are provided the social security also. Let us see what is the distribution of self-employed and hired workers in India. The distribution of self-employed and hired workers in India. Distribution of employment by gender. Gender means male and female. I have taken male workers and female workers. Let us see the male workers. This one pie diagram is given. This circle diagram, this represents here 51%. Let us see 51%. This color, the blue color is self-employed. Here 51% is self-employed, and this 49% is hired workers. So male workers, as far as the male workers are concerned in our country, 51% are engaged into self-employment, and 49% of the male workers in our country, they are engaged into the hired workers or hired employment. So hired employment and self-employment. So here let us see, as far as the male is concerned, that the 50% or about 50% are the self-employed and 50% are hired. But it is not the case in a case of females. Let us see the female workers. 56% of the female workers are self-employed. 56% are self-employed, and only let us see this 44%. 44% they are the hired workers. Out of hired workers, 13% are on these regular jobs. They are regular employees, and 31% are the casual workers. Casual workers, I told you, the workers working in the agricultural field, the workers are the construction workers. If you see the construction worker, you will find that large number of the workers, they are working into the construction industries. Large number of workers, they are working into the farming. So they are the casual laborers. So as far as the female workers are concerned, 31% are the casual workers, 13% are the regular employees, 56% of the females, they run their own enterprise, they are self-employed. So here, as far as male concerned, 50% goes for self-employed, 50% goes for hired workers. I have already written here, male 51% self-employed, 49% hired workers or hired employment. Female 56% self-employment, 44% hired workers. Out of this 44%, 13%, let us see, regular workers or regular salaried employees, and 31% are, let us see, these casual workers or casual wage laborers. As far as, let us see, the different regions are concerned, rural and urban distribution of the employment is concerned in our country. Let us see what is the situation of the distribution of employment by region, by rural and urban areas, urban workers and rural workers. Let us see here, urban workers, this 43% is the self-employed. In urban workers, let us see, in urban area, 43% are the self-employed workers and 42% are the regular salaried employees. So in urban areas, let us say that people, they are engaged into the different industries, different offices. So that is why, let us see, the number of persons who are getting the job on the regular basis, their percentage is high. 42% of the people, they are engaged on regular basis, and 15% of the people, they are casual wage laborers in the urban side. In the urban workers, we can say. So here, let us see, urban 43% self-employed and 57% are the hired workers. As far as the rural workers are concerned, let us see what is the position. 56% of the rural workers, they are self-employed. Rural workers, you are knowing, they used to work on their farm, and that is why, let us say, 56% of the rural workers, they are self-employed workers. And only, let us see, this 44% are the hired workers. In rural areas, 44% are the hired workers, 56% are the self-employed workers in our country. Out of 44%, 9% of the rural people, they used to get the job on regular basis, and 35% of the people, 35% of the workers of our country, they used to get the job on casual basis, not on regular basis. So this is the analysis of the distribution of employment by gender and by the this region, rural and urban. I think this concept is clear to all of you. Once again, let us see this workers, they are classified into self-employed and hired workers. The workers can be classified into two types. One is self-employed workers, another one is hired workers. Self-employed, you are knowing the workers who own and operate an enterprise to earn their livelihood are known as self-employed workers. So shopkeepers, businessmen, or let us say this doctors or chartered accountants, they all are the self-employed workers. Other side are the hired workers. Hired workers are, let us say, they are hired by someone either on regular basis or on irregular basis, or we can say on temporary basis. So these hired workers are classified into two. One is casual workers, another one is regular workers. And this distribution we have already seen. I think this concept is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.